And then you have a kwan a yɛbɛfa so a yɛbɛtwe enyom videos, pictures, any file be ama iPhone. So procedure way for all iPhones. The dedicated no. Oba download 3utools. Google not type 3utools or ever. A bar now download you and one install. One install on the web. One install we are. The symbol near 3utools. Now about me, it will be. Now about yes. It be a senate here. I feel back on the two phone. No. Amano. Open phone na bano. Kebe chira o phone type. Oba ha phone information si na re go ase no. Ne iOS version jailbreak activated. Phone information si na e wa ha. But nye na behwe, ye behwe kwan ye befa so a. Ye betwe enyom ana videos either fast aguso. Obo ha reboot a phone bedum na asen aso. Obo ha so phone bedum refresh. Entino, se a pesa twinyo ma iPhone a weba U-Dex. Na obo ho. Obo ho a ha se ne ye Odex no. Enti edi na betwe se enyom a waba new folder. Na obo so. Enti ebeketi folder enti music. Ti create music folder. Se a pesa twin video so about new folder video and so about also kitty or pictures here kitty new folder pictures into any media be information just choose be able kitty folder and enti say you na watching a na will be a new folder no would a nti me biebra menya nyoma to so enti se enyim we na dem to so a me peja nam de ato so no boki nti enyo na aba no nti eno ane se we so na pese mtwe a ma pega na de atoso na boki nti se opese botie o ze enyum na ejuma oboso a ebo
Kwananim ama bibiara sesa enne abefon krato internet so na obiara edi ne djuma ema bibiara yefo na esanso ye ntemtem wenti na G2 Family Limited abama wo obi babisa na G2 Family Limited wajuma ne senkra G2 Family Limited eye company bia eye 90% remote services 90% remote services no kirese se wotu fia na ofra ye betra yen office na de wuhia no ana ohwehwe no yaya ma wo a onse wadaje usika womre ka mutna ene emunsemsem wotu Simaka Krabi na yayama umpewe na opedian G2 Family Limited wanajumani bi ene G2 phone services wire flashing decoding unlocking iCloud remove tracking missing or stolen phone recovery of deleted files so unema bi delete free mobile no so na se usan hia wade a yebetumi ayama samba phone protection ene nyama pi wenyina omwa ha ho emayen office de hia na se obefre G2 computer services yaya hardwares ene software repairs so computer no asai ana bibiara a ohia ewo computer no hono freyen afei G2 security system wire CCTV camera installation wire install alarm ewo office ana ukam wire solar installation air condition installation G2 programming and tech wire website building so personal websites are wabayama network app development data analysis databases any enema pino wire G2 video and animation wire video editing so watch video and now person won try na one editing mawa wire wobetwa na na wasan de tiama short video animation explainer logo animation for kids any video ho adwuma biara de wo be ya ma G2 graphic and design so pese yenye logo manwa ye be ya ma wo design business cards t-shirt printing banners signboards books and album designs architectural and floor designs biara efa designs any printing ho de G2 family limited any the best point G2 digital marketing ebia we a company we a adwuma we a business o pese yenye wo advert e wo online e ma obiara ente wo nka wo be ya ma adwuma dodo amabobo so anyina no wo de frekeke na enhyehyɛ any akwan a e wo ho no obehunu a omwa enante enha wo ho emayen office me se frekeke na de wo hwehwɛ no wonsa beka one website www.mylistringgh.com na se eba no repair side nso a one website na www.mobileunlocksgh.com na your numbers no nie 0555885570 anase 0207364834 G2 Family Limited making technology easier and cheaper.
Enti we e jingle na mede to phone so no ndi na kwan ya fa so a wo de enyum ana video beto iPhone so bye bye.